Hey, this is 2022 Christmas walkthrough, and all the damage from Hurricane Florence is finally finished. And we didn't do much in the way of decoration, but we did some. Yeah. You got the LED Christmas tree now. Don't have to worry about leaving lights on or anything. It's all LED. Got most of the Christmas presents out. Fireplace is working. Got the Christmas horses out. Big guy got in Pennsylvania. Antique. And little guy found him at the flea mall in Newport this summer. Said, have a baby. And got lots of presents. And like I said, not much in the way of Christmas decoration, just a little bit. And I don't know if Sam wants to come out. Probably not. He's Yosemite Sam. He's a little guy with a lot of attitude. Never does what you want him to. He's a bunny rabbit, not a tribble. And that little tree in the living room, or the other living room. And a ridiculous ceramic tree some people are crazy about. Don't know why, but it's there. And that's about it for the walkthrough Christmas 2022. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and maybe ring the notification bell. That's it for this one.